Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today I'm going to show you how to get your favorite YouTube video thumbnails easily for better view. So first of all, I'm going to Google Chrome, and as you can see I'm on YouTube, and the first video, this is my favorite one, and as you can see the thumbnail of this video is a little bit attractive and I'm just willing to get it as an image. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to play it and just copying the URL, and then as you can see I'm on a source that you can see on the screen. This will be on the description too. Simply go there and paste the URL as you can see, and then simply click on get YouTube thumbnail, and if you scroll down you'll be able to find that the real image of that video, means the thumbnail, is there as the larger image and also add the smaller image. Okay, now what you need to do, you just have to download or save it as the normal image. Okay, save image as, and save, and now it has been saved in my hard disk. If I open it, and as you can see it is now opened normally, and I hope it really benefited you, and by this you can download thumbnails of all your favorite YouTube videos. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you did so, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience on the comment box, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.